1. Take out test strips, diluents, cotton swabs, etc. 2. Collect specimens rectal or feces. By cotton swab, put the cotton swab into the extraction tube after sampling. Squeeze it repeatedly 10 to 15 times and mix well. 3. Drop the mixed sample and add 2 drops into the sample hole, drop by drop vertically. Read the result between 5 to 10 minutes, and the result is invalid after 30 minutes. Positive, 2 distinct colored lines appear. One line is in the control region C and another line is in the test region T. Negative, 1 colored line appears in the control region C. No apparent colored line appears in the test region T. Invalid, control line fails to appear.